To revive the Monolith Festival, the Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Piniat Singh CM, who was accompanied by the Chairman of the Council, Lamprang Bla Executive Members Victor Rani, Fantin Lakadong, and Karnas Sosang, the Joint Director of Tourism Department, Philip Taryang, and Tourism Officer W. Marbanyang, along with members of the Mawphlung Darbar, had inspected the Khasi Heritage Village at Mawphlung, where it was found that 11 of the total number of huts in the area need reconstruction and repair. Speaking to reporters on the 4th September 2023, the CEM of the KHATC, Piniat Singh CM, informed that the council has scheduled the Monolith Festival to take place from 4th to 9th November 2023.
Kalong kaba sultanat namar ba ngiyo ikijing trailang rengkat bat nai lungdo jongka hima Mawphlung bat kumju naka executive committee jongka hima hibar kawai daka jinga kershan langki menteri klem artatin kajing wan jungi kan long kaba job namar ba naka liang ka government of Meghalaya hapo kajing lam jong chief minister Conrad Sangma bat minister tourism ba polling do ngi baki don jing sokya shisha ban ya trailang banyak trailang bat ni ka KHDC ban pen imbyang sai si ni ka festival ka belong ka festival jong ka jab ban ri khasi ka jungi te bat ngim slam show le sitang hapo shitayo artayo nakalyang ka tourism department kan sayo ban khot tender habidip ka kam namanta ban pentrai khamtam ini ka fencing group ban side fencing ka jingker banam yo rung kat bamon le si ki nong late nong wan chikani chaka bat kani ka jaka hang niru ka don lang ba kani ka law kan te le si ka don ba ka jing day bat ka jinglong kerpang jungi khasi te kermens kem ba kani ka festival kan yo ban kring ya babun ba ki nong shong shnong la day na po Meghalaya le day shabar ka jela bat nawe bat kiri ru kumju bangin pen isya ka jing ruspa jungi ka jab ri khasi te kita di ki katu kat ni ki ba ki jing tumu bangi wan mentak singi syakadi caka ha ka jing shisha nakalyang ka executive committee ka ba menta ngimdan kan ono ka jing mang le se ban penlut akane festival namar nilai trailang baka state government bak sarkar jela but nakalyang ka sarkar jela hi menta ka pha ka tourism department ban wan ban yarap lamingi khamtam ki renovation ban pen bahai kini ki jaka hang ni ki jing tai hang ni but kini ki bla dep tai lupa ka council ki badang la jandep menta kanam dan jinga day bakata kan pendap hina kaliang ka council te henry but nakamenta ki way pat ki kam let's say ban pentulun ya kini ka event nama kumbang imat menshwa arteli ki festival ngili ibon ki don ki jingduna te ngim kwa shu let's say ba ngin kan long biang kumtu kumbaju long berskata ni kwa ban kam penbahas isu penjanai ni ka festival ka banwan te habai dei bakata ngila IT be state government but kum bangila ban suthu ka state government kan sakhot hidaka tanda yakinu ki event management firm ne ki kenhon let's say ki ban dei ki jaban ri khasi jungi ban shimbenta hakanika tamasa kanika festival khnang bakan long ka baya be garanti